If we change the temperature of any metallic section, then the length of section will also changes. Let us assume a metallic section having initial length L naught. L naught will be the initial length. If we change the temperature of this section, then the length of this section will also changes, and we can write it by delta L. That is our change in length. Let us assume that this section will be made up of steel, and we know that the coefficient of linear thermal expansion for steel will be 12 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 per degree Celsius, and delta T will be the change in temperature. Or temperature difference. We can simply find it by subtracting the initial temperature from final temperature, and the final temperature is given in the question as 45 degree Celsius, and the initial temperature is 18 degree Celsius. Then it will become minus 63 degree Celsius. And the initial height L naught will also given in the question as 65 meter. If we have to calculate the delta L, that is change in length of this section, then we have to apply the formula delta L will be equal to L naught alpha S into delta T. We have all the quantities given in the question. Let's put all the quantities in this formula. L naught will be 65 meters, and we know that the coefficient of linear thermal expansion will be 12 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 per degree Celsius, and the temperature difference is minus 63 degree Celsius. Then delta L will be equal to minus 0.0491 meter. We can also write it as minus 4.91 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meters, and this minus sign shows us that the change the length of the section will be reduced, and hence the delta L will be equal to 4.91 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter, and this is our final answer.